Let's continue with paragraph 7, guys. The first indication of impending disaster came at about 6 p.m. with an ominous silence. Now the weather became silent and it is described as ominous silence. Ominous का मतलब होता है something evil or something जो अशुभ बोलते हैं ना, ऐसा कुछ होने वाला था ऐसा लगा. And what was the time? It was 6 p.m. in the evening. The wind dropped and the sky immediately grew dark. What happened? The wind dropped. हवा का बहना कम हो गया. And the sky immediately grew dark. And immediately, all of a sudden, the sky became dark with clouds. Then came a growing roar, and an enormous cloud towered of the ship. और अचानक से एक बहुत ही then came a growing roar and there was a growing roar. A roar यानी एक प्रकार का शोर, एक प्रकार का चिल्लाना. It was growing, it was gradually growing, and an enormous cloud towered up of the ship. और एक प्रकार का जो enormous, एक भयानक सा, एक बहुत ही बड़ा जो क्लाउड था शिप के ऊपर आके टकराया. With horror I realized that it was not a cloud but a wave like no other I had ever seen. And eventually he came to know that, the writer came to know that it was not cloud but it was a gigantic wave. एक बहुत ही भयानक wave, एक लहर था which came towards them and it hit the boat. And the writer said that no other I had ever seen. It was such a wave which he had not even seen like such a wave ever in his life. It appeared perfectly but vertical and almost twice the height of the other waves. The gigantic wave was standing tall and it is said here, vertical and almost twice the height of the other waves. The waves they were coming earlier, and the wave that has come, that has hit the boat now, it is just double of the waves that were coming earlier, with a frightful breaking crest. And it was having a frightful breaking crest. The wave was having a frightful, it was a very dangerous breaking crest. The roar increased to a thunder as the stern moved up the face of the wave, and for a moment I thought we might ride over it. So, when the wave hit the boat, a dangerous situation happened there. Now the sound of the waves have turned into thunder. The sound of the waves have turned into thunder now. It was just like thunder. The roar increased to a thunder as the stern moved up the face of the wave, and for a moment I thought we might ride over it. And when the wave hit the back of the ship, back of the boat, the writer thought that they might ride over the wave. But then a tremendous explosion shook the deck. But it did not happen so. There was a tremendous explosion shook the deck. जो शिप के छत को एक प्रकार का एक्सप्लोजन था, एक धमाका, उसने हिला दिया बिल्कुल. A torrent of green and white water broke over the ship. My head smashed into the wheel and I was aware of flying overboard and sinking below the waves. Suddenly the surface of the boat filled with water, and the writer felt like hit with something in the boat, and he felt like he was falling into the sea outside the boat, and he was sinking in the water. I accepted my approaching death, and as I was losing consciousness, I felt quite peaceful. And the writer accepted his approaching death. He thought himself that he was surely going to die. and he accepted his death now, and he was losing his consciousness. I felt quite peaceful, and at that time he felt very peaceful, quite peaceful. बिल्कुल शांत महसूस कर रहे थे, calm महसूस कर रहे थे वो.